Welcome back to the segment on removing page and line numbers from your transcript. Let's go back into our software and let's open the editor and select a file. Now, if you do not have a title page in this file, please insert one before we begin. Let me explain to you exactly what we will be doing. If you look at your taskbar below, you will see that this transcript has one section in it. That means that your page numbers, line numbers, will be on every consecutive page throughout the transcript. However, let's assume for a moment that you would like to just remove the page numbers from your title page, and starting with the body of the transcript or the second page or whatever, you would like those page numbers to continue. What we need to do in this type of environment, in a Windows environment, is to create sections within our transcript. And when you create sections, you're sectioning off certain areas of your transcript. Within those sections, it's going to allow you to type in things that will not affect other pages, or to remove things from that particular section that will not affect other pages within your transcript. So, what I would like you to do right now, for the sake of this demonstration, is I would like you to place your cursor on page 2 at the home position. We're going to, for this tutorial, remove page and line numbers from page 1 only. Now, if your cursor is on the second page at the home position of line 1, go up to the top to your toolbar and you have an icon for inserting a section break. If you will click on that icon, now you will notice that my cursor right now, it's in section 2. If I click my cursor up above where page 1 is, I'm in section 1. So we now have sectioned our transcript into 2 areas. Section 1 with the title page, and the rest of the transcript is in section 2. Now, what you need to do from here is to place your cursor in the section that you want to make the change in. In this instance, I'm going to place my cursor in section 1, which is my transcript or cover page. From here, the shortcut Control E as in Edward will bring you to our page setup screen, where it will allow you to suppress the line numbers, and in my case my page numbers are in the header. Your page numbers could be in the footer area. So I'm going to place a check mark on suppress the line numbers and also on clear the headers. When I click OK, I now would like to go up to File and go to Print Preview so I can make sure it did what it was supposed to do. Now, if I look at 2 pages at a clip here, you'll notice that my page 1 has no line numbers and no page number. However, page 2 has line numbers and page numbers, and if I continue to look at the transcript, I've got page 3 with line numbers and page numbers. So that's how you can make sure that you have accomplished what you need to accomplish. This is how you do a section break for removing your page and line numbers. Remember, put your cursor on the page following where you want to start a new section. Click on the Insert Section Break icon, and then do Control E, which will take you to the area where you can remove page numbers and line numbers. That's all there is to removing page and line numbers within Winner. I'll be back in one moment.